How to speed up audio without changing pitch in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, open your CapCut and then import a video. After that, simply add an audio. You can do it like this. Then tap on the audio. Then go to speed and you can now increase the speed, and in order to keep pitch, simply select this. If you don't want to change pitch, then unselect this and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.